Hi guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can make a new password in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with going to the settings. So we can do that simply by making a right click here in the Windows icon, and then you will get the settings option here. Or you can also just make a tap in the Windows icon and then you will get this settings option. Now once you're in the settings, all you need to do is just to go to the left pane. There you will find the accounts option, and then once you click on that, you will get this kind of window. So all you need to do, so we have here the account settings option, or the section, related settings section, and all you need to do is just to go to the sign in options. There, look for sign in options. We have the Windows Hello, security key, password, and dynamic lock. Now once you click on that, you will get this first section, which is ways to sign in. So you can choose whatever ways you want to sign in. So if you have chosen already this facial recognition, so whichever the ways that you have selected or that you have chosen to sign in, then you can just click this drop down button there, and then you will find the uh, option to change your password. So since this facial recognition says we couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face, then since I am only using a laptop, then we will proceed with this fingerprint recognition. But if you can also if you don't receive this notification, you can also change or set up the password for this one just by clicking this setup button. This says here, use your face to sign into Windows apps and services. So just please click on setup, and then it will help you add a face to for your facial recognition sign in option. Now once you can do that, then you can now use the facial recognition to sign in your device. So you can also have this fingerprint recognition. Let's click this drop down button here, and then we have also the setup options for the fingerprint recognition. If you want fingerprint recognition to be your sign in option during, or if you want to sign in to your account or to your device, then you can also do that. For the pin, you can also have this option, change pin or remove. So since I have selected this way to sign into my device, I have this option, change pin. So you can change also your pin just by clicking this button here, and then all you need to do is just to enter your pin, and then create a new pin by clicking this one, and then confirm it by clicking this one. So it says here include letters and symbols, so you can also check this one for you to have the password including letters and symbols. Now once you're done changing your pin, you can now click on OK, and you can also proceed with security key. If you want security key, then you can also do that. You can manage for the settings, or you can manage this one to sign into apps with physical security key, or you can also have the password and then picture password. You can also add a picture password for this sign in option. Okay, so once you have already changed the password in this section, all you need to do is just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, and you can now enable the password that you have created, that you have newly created. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.